Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's learn shapes. Magaling! What shape is this one?
Trapezoid.
Color?
Yellow.
In Tagalog?
Gina.
Magaling! Oh. What shape is this one?
Semicircle.
Patay ka sa semicircle! Color? Alam ko lang ito na eh. Protractor. Protractor. Heart.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Circle.
Circle. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's learn shapes. Magaling. Magaling. This is the...
Trapezoid.
Wow, patingin. What shape is this one?
Trapezoid.
Color?
Yellow.
In Tagalog?
Gina.
Magaling. Oh, lagay mo sa trapezoid. Lagay. Ay, naglag. Oh, lagay mo sa trapezoid. Wow! Magaling! What's next?
Heart.
Heart. Color?
Red.
In Tagalog?
Brown.
Magaling. Oh, lagay mo sa heart. Lagay.
Wow.
Tama.
Wow, shit.
Magaling.
Oh, wow, hot.
What's next? How about this one?
Now circle.
Color?
Oh, it's a green.
Green. In Tagalog?
Red.
Magaling. Oh, lagay mo sa bilog.
Ino.
Circle.
Wow, circle.
Lagay mo sa bilog. Circle. Wow! Magaling! What's next? How about this one?
Hexagon.
What shape is that one?
Hexagon.
Hexagon! Magaling! Lagay mo sa hexagon. Wow! Tama!
Tama.
How about
This one.
this one? What shape is this one? It's
Square.
square. Color?
Red.
In Tagalog?
Red.
Magaling! What's next? How about this one?
Triangle.
Color? What color for triangle? A. What color? What color of that?
Yellow.
Yellow. In Tagalog? In Tagalog? What Tagalog? Of the color yellow? Tagalog? Is? Tagalog? What color of Tagalog? Yellow. Tagalog?
Yellow.
Magaling! Paano yellow?
Yellow.
Magaling! Yellow! Eh! Oh. What's next? What's that? What's that? It's? What's that? What's that? Patingin pa mo, patingin. What's that? Ang tagal yung ginagawa niya.
Yes.
What shape is this one? It's?
Diamond.
Diamond! Mga dalawa diamond dito. Diamond! Color?
Red.
In Tagalog? Oh, what's next? Lagay mo na pala sa pula. Ay, sa ano? Sa shape niya.
What's this? Shoes.
Opo, tama. How about...
What else?
Oh, what else?
It's a star.
Star. What color of the star?
Yellow.
In Tagalog?
Green.
Eh! Eh, dilaw. Eh. Ano yan? Wala naman eh. Oh, what's next? What shape is this one?
Semicircle.
Patay ka sa semicircle. Color? Alam ko lang ito na eh. Protractor. Protractor. Color?
Red.
Red. In Tagalog?
No.
Bula. Magaling. How about this one?
Oval.
Oval. Put oval. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Magaling. How about this one? What shape?
Octopus.
No, it's pentagon.
Pentagon.
Ang galing. How about this one?
Diamond.
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 Diamond. Magaling. How about this one? What shape?
Flower.
Flower. Okay, sige. Pagbigyan. It's flower. Anong color ng flower? Anong color ng flower?
Yay!
Color. Anong color ng flower?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yung Tagalog.
Now.
Dilaw. Tingko ting octagon eh. What shape is this one? Octagon. Magaling. How about this one? What shape is this one? Is? What shape? Is?
Wow!
Squash. Oh. Kasing, isa. Ayan. Sa likod mo, sa likod. What shape is that one? Is?
Diamond.
Diamond. Patagin, all done ha? Wow, all done. Magaling. High five. High five. How about this? Sige, isa-isayin mo, isa-isayin.
Heart.
Heart.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Circle.
Circle.
Oval.
Oval.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Flower.
Flower.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Hexagon.
Pentagon. Rectangle. Pentagon. Octagon. Oh, what's next? Oh no, it's laglag. It's okay. Oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Oh no, shit.
Oh no, the shape is laglag. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na sa camera, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, shape. Good night.